So recently I was cleaning my shoe and my dead stock, my bowl snapped. But I was like, damn, I'm like, fuck, like, what am I gonna do now? It's a collapsible bowl where you put your soap and water or whatever it may be. It turns out that these guys are actually getting them from Amazon. Because look how perfect that is. Look at that. Anyway, so I got a replacement bowl. I got a blue one and a red one. Just so I could physically, they're supposed to be for dogs. I think you can see a dog. But I got them just so I could wash my shoes and shit like that. And I have like the brushes and everything. And you guys know me. You guys know that I like having my shoes clean. They're very good. The soap is very good and everything like that. Dead stock. Hit them up. Very good soap. Which is unfortunate that their thing broke.